In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you combine two moving average line, RSI indicator and CCI indicator to find an entry level in the market. I'm going to be sharing with you the settings of those indicators, the exact candle time frame, and also the expiration time I use with this strategy. Everything I'm going to be sharing with you right here on this video. If this is the first time of you seeing our content, and if at the end of this video you're able to find value on our content, do ensure you subscribe to this channel, hit notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. As a reminder, everything I'm going to be sharing right here is based on my own personal experience in the market. I'm a trader, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you need to take any financial decision, do ensure you consult your financial advisor. So right here on the chart, I'm going to be using two moving average line, RSI indicator and CCI indicator. So the settings of my first moving average line comes with the period of 8 moving average. I'll be using SMA. Right here on the style level at the main line, I'm going to be using a green color and I'll set it on 2 pixels. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. The second moving average line comes with the settings of a period of 6 moving average. I'll be using SMA. Right here on the style level at the main line, I'm going to be using a red color and I'll set it on 2 pixels. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. With my RSI indicator, it comes with a period of 7. Right here on the style level at the main line, I'm going to be using a green color and I'll set it on 3 pixels. The 70% level, I'm going to be using this color and I'll set it on 1 pixels. The 50% level, I'm going to turn it off, while the 30% level, I'm going to be using a yellow color and I'll set it on 2 pixels. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. My CCI indicator comes with the settings of a period of 20. Right here on the style level at the main line, I'm going to be using a yellow color, set it on 1 pixels. The background color, still use the same yellow color. I'll leave the opacity just like this. The 100% section, I'm going to be using the same yellow color, 1 pixels, minus 100, same yellow color, 1 pixel. So when I'm done, I'll click on save. So with this strategy, I'm going to be using the normal Japanese candlestick. I'll set it to be on 15 seconds candle time frame. Then I'll be using the expiration time of 1 minute. So right here, I found an opportunity for a down position. So one thing I always put into consideration anytime I want to make use of this strategy is the intersection of the moving average line. The two moving average line has to properly intersect each other and has to be going towards a downside direction. I don't find opportunity only if I see the intersection of my two moving average line. I also make sure that I have a consistency of a candlestick. It also gives me another confirmation to go into the market. Not only that, I also make sure I check the trend. I need to see that the market is in a downtrend, just like what I have right here. The market has to be going towards a downside direction before I can find an opportunity. Not only that, with my RSI indicator, it has to be moving from the overbought condition going towards a downside direction. I have to see the line to be in between this 70% and also the 30% level. So it has to be going towards a downside direction. And not only that, the same thing also has to happen with my CCI indicator. The line has to be moving from the overbought condition going towards a downside direction. It has to be in between the positive 100% and also the negative 100%, heading towards a downside direction. So right here I found another opportunity for an up position. So right here, I found my two moving average line intersecting each other, giving me an upside directional move. And basically, the trend is in a downtrend. But what makes me to go into an up position right here is because I saw that the market is going as a lower high right here. So I just have to go into the market right at this particular point. Another thing that also gives me confirmation is my stability of candlestick, which I have right at this point. So right at this point, I found my RSI indicator. It's actually moving from the oversold condition going towards an upside direction. The same thing with my CCI indicator. So right here I found another opportunity for an up position. So right here I found a reversal of the market right at this point. The consistency of the market is also another confirmation I got right here. My 2-moving average line intersect each other alongside with my RSI indicator and my CCI indicator. They all give me a confirmation. And right here I make another win. So right here I found another opportunity for a down position. So my 2-moving average line intersect right at this point. Also my RSI and CCI indicator is giving me a confirmation. So I only make use of this strategy whenever I see a clear reversal in the market. Situation whereby I have a choppy candlestick or a consolidated candlestick or even a ranging market, I don't make use of the strategy. I only use the strategy when I see a clear reversal in the market. So right here I have 16 seconds to go. And right at this point I make another win. So this is where I'm going to stop on this video. So if you find value on this content, do make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit notification bell so you miss any of our amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video.